Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about Google Scholar button, and specifically I will talk about the newly updated features released during this month, and I will explain the whole process in few steps. And first step, I will talk about how to download this button on your Chrome browser, and then I will explain and show you the importance and usefulness of this button for your academic research. So first, let's go and download it. Type in your Google search Google Scholar button, and then click on the first link, chrome.google.com. So it will open the Chrome web store from where you can download this extension, and here you can see add the Chrome button. Click on it, and again you need to click on add extension. So now you can see this little button on the toolbar. Go to extension and just pin it. So you can see it is visible right now on the toolbar, and then go back. So now we have downloaded Google Scholar button on Chrome browser. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead. And second step, I wanted to show you the latest new features implemented on Google Scholar button. And for this purpose, we need to visit Google Scholar website. So on Google Scholar box, you can type any title you think relevant to your interested area. So in my case, I'm going to type Virginia and host. Hit enter button. So you can see on this page a plethora of articles, and you can also see the PDF versions of some of these articles, like the first one. So if you want to download PDF version of this article, you can hit this button. Also, if you want to customize your time, you can do on the left hand side. So if you want to download latest articles, you can select 2020, 2019, and if you want to go back and see historical records, you need to customize the date and time on this menu. Okay, so let's see the newly updated features. So click on this button. So in this list, you can see all the articles we have searched already using Google Scholar search option. So here are a few things I want to show you. One is this little blue star, and at the bottom you can see the navigation toolbar, and here you can see a gray big star and some other options like the forward and backward options, as well as you can see open results in a new tab. So we need to talk about specifically about these stars. So these stars are used for you can save these articles in your library, and you can read these articles later if you want. So this new feature is implemented as a storage tool for your articles on Google Scholar. So for example, I want to read this article later and I want to save it. So click on this little blue button. So you can see a pop-up menu save to your library, and if you click on this gray star, my library, so it will direct you to your library. So let's go click on it. So you can see this is my library. I have made this library with my name, Barkat, and there are 3 articles. So we have saved this article right now. So if you want to delete these articles from your library, you can delete it right away using this small delete button. And if you want to edit the titles, you can also do it using this edit option. So finally, Google Scholar button is very useful and important because you can search articles on any website and it can easily access you to Google Scholar. And also you can search out references and library and also on other websites. And you can also search out references with different formats and styles. So this is all about Google Scholar button. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you so much.